Finally, let's talk about analytics, the data behind your website's performance. Organizations use it to measure conversion rates, customer satisfaction, retention, and brand impact. Tools can track site visits, popular keywords, traffic sources, landing page activity, and more. They also reveal which pages users visit most, what actions they take, and where they click. By understanding these behaviors, marketers can refine their strategies, improve user experience, and drive better results. Analytics turns guesswork into insights, and insights into growth. Welcome to our discussion on website marketing analytics, where we focus on Google Analytics 4 or GA4. This platform provides key reports that help marketers understand website performance and user behavior. For instance, the report snapshot gives an overview through charts and graphs, covering total users, revenue, and recent activity. The real-time overview reports offer live data about who's on your site and what they're doing. The user acquisition overview highlights how visitors are finding the site, tracking touch points from first contact to conversion. Finally, the engagement overview measures how long users stay and interact with your site, critical for understanding content effectiveness and user stickiness. Continuing with GA4, let's look at 4 more reports. The conversions report reveals how many users are completing key actions like first visits, purchases, or initiating checkout. The monetization overview focuses on revenue data, including how much users spend on average. The retention overview highlights how many users are returning, their engagement levels, and overall lifetime value. And finally, the tech overview identifies what devices, platforms, and screen resolutions visitors use. These reports give marketers a full-circle view of who's visiting, how they behave, and what technology they use, informing better design and marketing decisions. When you first log into GA4, the home page gives a dashboard-style summary. It might show, for example, 22,000 users in the past 7 days, 60,000 conversions, and 17,000 new users. It also highlights current user activity, like 151 users in the last 30 minutes, 110 of whom are from the US. The report snapshot dives deeper, offering easy access to metrics such as revenue, user locations, and engagement trends. For marketers, this at-a-glance view is essential for quick decision-making and spotting trends in real time. The Real-Time Overview Report is a powerful tool for live insights. It shows what's happening on your website right now, like how many users are online, their geographic locations, and what devices they're using. For instance, a sample report might show 180 users in the last 30 minutes, with 80% on desktops and 19% on mobile devices. These live stats help marketers adjust campaigns, test real-time changes, or target specific devices more effectively. This dynamic perspective is invaluable in fast-paced digital environments. The acquisition overview tells us how new users are discovering your website. It highlights user origin, such as whether they came from search, social media, or direct links. For example, in a demo report, 188 users visited in 30 minutes, and 148 were from the United States. This report also shows lifetime value, the average revenue generated per new user over time. By understanding where your traffic comes from and its financial impact, marketers can refine acquisition strategies and invest wisely in high-performing channels. Attribution is all about giving credit to the right touchpoints that lead to a conversion. There are several models used in GA4. The last interaction model gives credit to the final touchpoint, while the first interaction model credits the first. The last non-direct click ignores users who typed the URL directly. Meanwhile, the linear model gives equal credit to all steps, and the time decay model favors touchpoints closest to conversion. Finally, the position-based model gives weighted credit to the first and last interactions. Choosing the right model helps marketers better understand the customer journey and optimize campaigns accordingly. Engagement is key to understanding how users interact with your site. The Engagement Overview report measures the time users spend on-site and how often they return. For example, average engagement might be 1 minute and 31 seconds, with over 843,000 views in total. One key metric here is user stickiness, which is calculated as daily active users divided by monthly active users. A higher ratio means users are consistently coming back. This data helps marketers identify what's working and what needs improvement, whether it's content, navigation, or overall experience. To wrap up our GA4 reports, here's a quick recap of additional insights. The conversions report highlights key behaviors, like how many users make purchases or add items to their cart. The monetization overview tracks total revenue and average spend per user. The retention overview compares new and returning users while monitoring their engagement levels. Lastly, the tech overview helps developers and marketers alike by revealing what platforms, devices, and browsers users prefer. Together, these reports provide a comprehensive toolkit to evaluate and enhance every aspect of your website's marketing performance.